By the time the day ends, your legs feel heavy, your ankles feel tight, your shoes feel tighter than they did your skin. It leaves a dent. If this happens to you almost every evening, don't ignore it. What's really happening inside your legs is a pump that is slowed down. And tonight, we're going to turn it back on. No equipment, just 3 simple movements that can help your body move that trapped fluid back where it belongs. If your swelling is only in one leg, came suddenly, or comes with pain, redness, or shortness of breath, get it checked first. But if both legs swell slowly by the end of the day, the real reason your legs swell. Here's something most people never hear. Your heart is great at pushing blood down to your legs, but getting it back up? That's not your heart's job alone. Your body relies on something called the calf muscle pump. Some doctors even call it your second heart. Every time you walk, every time your calf muscles contract, they squeeze the veins in your legs and push blood and fluid back upward. If you've been sitting most of the day, on a chair, on a couch, in a car, that pump barely works. It slows down and fluid starts collecting in your lower legs. Gravity pulls it down, and nothing pushes it back up. That's why. Your ankles swell heavy. Your socks leave deep marks. The solution? Turn the pump back on. Right now. Exercise 1, the unlock. This sit on everything up. Lift one foot slightly off the ground. Do taf your slow in the other 10, nice and slowcles. Then reverse direction, another 10. Now switch to the other foot. This isn't just movement. It's a rolling squeeze. Different parts of your calf activate in sequence like a wave. It pushes fluid upward from multiple angles. Don't make this mistake. Don't go fast. Fast equals momentum. Slow equals muscle activation. And muscle activation is what turns the pump on. Now we go deeper. Lift your heels up, keeping your toes down. Hold for 2 seconds. Feel your calves tighten. Now lower your heels. Repeat. Heels up, toes up. You're activating a deep muscle called the soleus. Most people don't even know it exists, but this muscle is the real worker when you're sitting. It pushes stubborn fluid out of your lower legs. What you should feel: a gentle burn in your calves. That's a good sign. That's your pump working again. Exercise 3, the full drain. Now we connect everything. Sit up straight, lift your right knee slightly toward your chest. Hold for 1 second, lower it. Slow, controlled, like marching in slow motion. Do 10 to 15 reps each side. This one drains fluid from 3 levels at once: your thigh, your calf, your ankle. And here's the hidden part. When your foot comes down, your calf activates again automatically. Squeeze your glutes while lifting your knee. Now you've activated one more pump. Your body becomes a full drainage system. Bonus 1, the food that helps. Now here's something most people miss completely. There's one mineral your body needs to manage fluid properly: magnesium. If you don't get enough, your body holds onto water. Pumpkin seeds, bananas, and spinach help your body release extra fluid naturally. Think of it like this: exercises move fluid. Magnesium helps your body let go of it. Compression socks can help, but most people use them wrong. They wear them at night. That's too late. Your legs are already swollen. The right way: wear them in the morning, when your legs are at their smallest. They prevent swelling, instead of trying to fix it later. Do this every evening: 10 ankle circles each direction, 15 heel-toe pumps, 10 to 15 seated marches. Takes 5 minutes total. Before you start tonight, press your thumb into your ankle for 5 seconds. If it leaves a dent, that's fluid buildup. Now do this routine for 7 days. Most people notice less swelling, less dent, lighter legs. Your body is not failing you. It's just missing movement. And once you give it the right signals, it responds. What to do next? Try this tonight, then come back in 7 days and tell me. Did your legs feel lighter? Did the swelling reduce? Did the dent disappear? If this helped you, subscribe to Heal Quick, because here, we don't complicate things. We fix them.